Okay, welcome back everyone. So let's continue on this episodes and let's finish this thing. Okay, and then finally we will have something to lean on to. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So find my black box around here. There, right? There, black box there, and then that was a pie. So close down there. Okay, that's a pie. Beautiful execution, target nailed. Okay, that's the P2 and TP3 and TP4. At TP3 trailer stops and at TP2 take partials, at TP3 take partials. Okay, that's what happened. That's amazing. So we found another one there, as you can see. That's another buy house there. Down there, stop loss. Unfortunately, as you can see, when you are trading, when the third candle breaks out, you can use the previous two candles to determine its TP for the third candle and the candle next to the third candle. Okay, this one TP1 and this is TP2. As you can see, TP2 is nailed by the second candle, the candle after the third candle. Okay, you can use that to minimize your risk. Okay, if you want, and it is better. It's better to do that too. As you can see, right here. Uh, Notice that I have used the weeks. Why would I do that? It's because the bodies are almost negligible. There is no body at all. You can't say there is no body at all. There is a body, it is doji, but if it is a doji, you have to use equal highs and equal lows, even if it is a week. Okay, so as you can see, take it nailed. As for you take your partial 30% off, it is better to take the 30% off than to let it run until the TP3 is hit or something else. Then we found another one, as you can see, 1, 2, and then the third one there, down there is a sell, but as you can see the risk is too much, right? So we're not gonna sell this one. The risk is too much. So you can see the fourth candle broke this one down there. You have to account for 2.5%. You put your stop above by giving space. Okay, give a space because that place, that high is high liquidity area. Okay, what does that mean? It means there is a lot of stop loss, which means the market is most likely gonna head up and take out the high and actually dump. Okay, you need to be careful. Okay, so we have to put, even if it is below the 2.5%, you have to give a space. Okay, you have to give a space. What is that space? It can be above 0 strip in the market after taking a dump. So what do? You measure your TP bodies, of course, always. TP1 and TP2, as you can see, it is down there, right there. This is TP2 right there. Most likely, if that was not the TP2, then it's okay. It could be down there and still came down. So when the market retraces up, we already know that we are moving down, right? So that is a sale down there, up there. That's the sale, up there. I told you this area is a silver zone. This area, the area where two candles are found, is a silver zone. So this is a shit right there. The market even came up to the golden zone that you can add another position. That's enough. And that's enough. Okay, as you can see, finally the market collapsed, bam, dip it hit, so it's time for a trail. If you are trading a retest, after TP2 has been hit, you have to trail. Even if TP2 is not hit, if it moved a lot, you have to put your stop loss at break even. Okay, put it at break even at least. That way you can be careful. So we found as a black box, this big one is a black box. Why? Because this candle traded at least 68.3 or 63.8 Fibonacci extension right there, more than 50% below. I'm sorry, it is 33.6%. Okay, that's beautiful. That's what we want. But anything, this is 50%. Let's assume, say, this is a Fibonacci, this is 100, or this is 0, right? So this is 50%, 50%. Then we got two lines, right? This one and this one, on both sides. This one and this one, right? So this one represents 23.6%. This one is 33.6%. This one is 50%. This is 63.8%, right? That one is how much? 78.6%. That one is 1%. So the only time we use this 78.6% and 23.6% is for the third candle. It's a breaking candle for the third candle. Okay. And the only time we use is 63.6% and 33.6% is for the second candle. Okay, remember, this is for the second candle. Alright. These two are for the third candle. Okay, for the third candle. Right? These two, the last ones. The middle ones near the 50% are used for the second candle. So as you can see, target achieved and criteria fulfilled. Bam, I'm not gonna say that one. No thank you. Why? So plus up there and entry down there, that is not gonna be good for my risk to reward, so I'm not gonna enter. I will enter if the price makes its way up there. But it didn't, so I'm already in a sale position above there, so no worries. Okay. Then what happened? Then we found another one. 1, 2, and 3. Why is that? It is because the third candle, just like I told you, traded to 23.6 right there. Okay, traded 23.6%. And the second candle, I mean the first candle, like the second candle, in the first candle and the second candle, they both can trade to the 73.6% if we are buying, or it doesn't matter the direction. Okay, 73.6% if it is a bullish candle, and 23.6% if it is a bearish candle. As you can see, this is a bullish candle. It started down there, traded down, hit that. We are counting the body of the second candle, the body of the second candle. Okay, not the wick. So as you can see, it traded to 36 point. Let me zoom in for you, so if you can't see, I think. Alright. So as you can see, this thing traded how much? That's almost full, right? So it is fulfilled. So this is a black box. This is a black box. So you measure from up there to down there. So that is your fib extension. TP1. TP2 is most likely down there. It is never hit. It is never hit down there. So that's why this pump, you are seeing this pump to achieve this black box TP, as you can see when you project the upside is TP1, as you can see TP2 was nailed up there. Right there, as you can see. Okay, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. So that's amazing. If the price had came back up there, I would have sold this one. Right there, if the price had came back up there, I would have sold targeting TP2 down there. But the price didn't make it up there, so that is a silver zone. That's where I'm interested, and the golden zone up there. between my stop loss and the black box's upper line, right? Upper border. That's it. The next what happened? Remember, this is still loading. This is still loading. Okay. This flag box didn't finish its target, so we are still selling based off of this flag box. Okay. But this one is there. You can see that the TP is down there and it is it. Then we found one, two, three, right? Did it break? No. Then one, two, three. Did it break? No. Then one, two, three. Did it break? No. Did it? Then this one, two, three. Did it break? Yes. Where? It is down there. It is down. Stop loss. Stop loss up there. Space. We have space. That is okay. Let me zoom out. Okay. Right. Stop loss up there, and I am selling this one. I'll sell this one. Targeting TP2, TP1, and TP2 is most likely down there. Okay. I think, yeah, TP2 is it. That's why this market eventually immediately retraced. This is our black box. Okay. Actually, that's not our black box. Let me zoom in first. Let us dissect this one. So apparently we have another black box which didn't hit TP. As you can see, which one is full bodied? Which one is the same? This one, this one, this one, or this one, and this one? It is this three, right? Why? They are full bodied. Look, they are different, man. They are different. So you can see, these are full bodied. This is a dodgy. We don't want this shit. This is not the black box. So when you measure your TP, it's gonna be which are similar. This is 50%. What is it now? TP1. What is TP2? It's down there. It is not hit. TP2 is not hit. So actually I sold this one. So I'm waiting for TP2. I'm waiting for TP2. You can use, I already told you, you can use the first two candles to take partials for the breaking candle and the candle next to the breaking candle, or the fourth candle. This one for the fourth candle. As you can see, right there. And you can use this one. This is okay. And this one, the bodies of the two candles, the first two candles. TP1, TP2 is where? It's down there, bro. TP2 is down there, right there. You take partials. Simple. 30% off. You can take 90% off because the price has the potential of moving down, right? So it is still loading, right? So we don't really need this earphone. Plus, still up there. Don't touch nothing. Why? Still TP2 is not hit, so don't touch nothing. As said, right there, 3 candles didn't break. Then we found this one. Did it trade to 60%? I don't. 33.6%? I don't think so. So it's not a black. But this one, this is a black. Did it break? No. Then what happened here? Nothing. There is no black box here. It traded down, not up. The body is outside this body, as you can see. This candle's body. They are not overlapped. They have to be overlapped. Then we found this one. Did it break? No. What about this? This is a black box. Did it break? No. And this one? Is this a black box? Is this a black box? Yes. Where? Because it traded 33.6% right there. If you measure the fib for this candle, look, that is below 50% is up there. that is below the 50% rising down there. And here you have the 23.6%, okay, extension, fib extension. After touching that thing, that's the golden zone, right? So literally, normally, the retail traders think that, I mean, retail traders, this area, in this area, if you are buying, you wanna see price come back here, right? So this is a price leg. The price, you wanna see price retrace down there. Then that's where you buy, right? This is a golden zone. 33.6 and 23.6%. If you are selling, quite the opposite. Quite the opposite. What is that? You wanna see the price come back there. If the price is coming from up there, you wanna see the price pull back up there, and that's time to sell. That's a golden zone. That's why this is very very important area. A golden zone, right? That's a golden zone. Touch it and uh, pump it up. Open up there, trade it up, trade it down. And then up and down there, no wick at all. Bam, expanded. What is that? A buy. That is a buy. Stop loss is still down there. Okay. That's a buy. Targeting this one and this 40. This is a 50%. TP1 is up there. TP2 is up there. A little bit higher. So that candle riser nailed it. Beautiful. Candle riser nailed it. Okay, that's beautiful. It's amazing. It pumped in, pumped in, pumped. Right, exactly right there. My stop loss is it because I'm already in a sell position above there, right? Up there, I know that I am. This candles TP2 is up there, and it is still loading at that grid, around that grid, right? I know that right there is the program changed to a buy program, right there. Okay, so I will be confident that I bought this one and this direction is right because block structure we change direction to the upside. Okay, and I know that these black boxes TP2 is still loading to the upside. TP2, if TP2 is not hit, this black box is not dead. It's still loading. So I have this TP1 and I have this TP1 for this one and I have this TP for this one. Okay, for this one. So these are so everything for this pump achieved, I mean, uh, exit or deleted every black box and didn't hit TP2. Okay, I didn't hit TP2. So right there, the ones that I didn't tell you is this one. So TP2 was not hit. Right there, it projects the downside TP1. The project TP2 is downside, most likely suspense. It's triggered. Right there, TP2 nailed for this one. So this is what there it is there. Okay, that's exactly what happens. So price pump it, pump it, pump it. It's time to trade. Okay, it's time to trade. You trade or you take partials. I told you you have two options. One is trade. Your stop after TP3 has been hit. Okay, after TP3 has been hit, you trade. Option two, take partials. Take partials at each key levels at TP2, at TP3, and at TP4. Okay, at TP4. And you can continue as long as the price is moving. You can continue. I mean, you can add another TP5 on the Fibonacci. Okay, it is possible. You can add it. TP6, TP7. That's take partials. Okay. I mean, actually, you are taking partials at this 30%, this 30%, this 30%. It is all gone. So at around the TP5, that 10% would be gone because this is how much? This is 90%, right? Of 10% still running. So At TP5 you take your 10%, so the trade will be closed 100% out. So you don't really need TP6 or TP7. So the third option is to combine it, to trail your stop, and you can take partials while trailing your stop. Take partials while trailing. You can do whatever is appealing to you. So we found another black box here. 2 and 3, beautiful. As the buy up there, stop loss still down there. Okay, targeting at least 1 to 1. So this guy went 1 to 2, as you can see, 1 to 2. That is 1 to 2. That is amazing. Still, and it's still pumping. Okay, and it is still pumping. So you can use this. The bodies. What the hell? You can use the body. It's going, bro. And TP1 and TP2. Most likely at TP2 price reverses or consolidates. It is a known fact, it is a proven fact. So that's why that key level is important, it's very important. That's why you take partials. You don't touch the stop loss yet. Then what happened? And we found another black box. There, 2, 3. Then we found another black box, but because we have to focus on the new one, right? I already told you that we broke down the downside right here. That's a sale. I'm gonna sell the stop loss upside and I'm gonna sell it, okay? So say targeting down. There. If this is the start of a reversal, as you can see, we broke the trend line. If this is the start of a reversal, so my sell up there is the right one. My buy down there is the right one, but still I am in both directions. I am in a buy and I am in a sell direction, and I am taking partials. Okay, I am taking partials, so I'm making money. If it starts to collapse, I'm already in a sell position, so I don't even care. Right? I know it will hit my stop loss down there, but I am making money up there. Okay, so if I lose money down there, I took partials up there too. So I am still making money down there. If you want to be completely uh, invulnerable to losses after TP2, so our minimum target is TP2 and the price will go to there. It will go to there. Okay? After the price it is TP2, you can't trade your stop ups there. So you don't lose money. You never lose money. If you put your stop loss at break even, okay? But the price might support you just like you did here and continue moving up. So that's the problem. You will miss out on profits. Okay, that's the only problem. So this is the whole thing here. This is the whole thing here. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Next chapter. So what you are seeing here is pound dollar on 1 hour time frame. $1 on 1 hour time frame. And let me show you the black box real fast. Okay. They're down there. Okay. Right at the start, my eye is right there. Almost immediately, when I saw this support, I knew that there was gonna be a black box. It's so crazy. It is an instant hit. So as you can see that is black box. That is your TP. That is your Fibonacci. TP1. So in this case, we didn't hit TP2. Okay. That's why we are buying down there. That is why we are buying down there. The support, it is just out of this world, bro. It is out of this world. These kinds of things, bro. It's amazing. Look, that is a buy, stop loss, and target. This is we use the bodies, okay, because as you can see it has a huge body. TP1 and TP2 is most likely up 0. So I think TP2 is hit or what? I think it's most likely hit. Okay. If TP2 was not hit, then you can place a buy. If a price comes near there, stop loss is down there, you can enter a buy targeting TP3. That is rising. Look what the price did after TP3. You can enter a buy if your stop loss is negligible. If it is very, very small, if the price is near the golden zone, you can enter a buy. Believe me, that black box is gonna hold it. It will hold it. It will hold the price in the repair sequence. It moved like rails upside. If you bounce the shit down there, you got the potential. It's so crazy. Of course, you will not get out at the most high, but at the highest high. But it's okay. You can get out up there. You can get out up there. It's okay. It's okay. Turning down there and getting out up there, it is crazy, bro. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? There is no analysis. There is no black. Supply and demand zones. There is no moving average. Do you see anything here? Do you see anything here? I only see a box there and a Fibonacci. A box and a Fibonacci. There is nothing here. Bro, where the hell would you get this kind of strategy? Where the hell would you get this kind of comfy, like amazing, powerful, high owner? It's crazy. It's crazy. It is crazy. Thank God for this. Thank God. I'm telling you. I am telling you. So you can target TP3, okay? TP3 and TP2, they don't have that much equal chances, but TP2 has the highest chance. TP2 has the highest chance. It has to be hit. It is like a must. It is a must. Price has to move there. It is a must. But TP3 is like, it has less chance, but it can be hit. TP3 can be a target. It can be a target. Okay, you can buy. Why? Because your stop loss and my entry are not that much wide, so I can enter it buy. Even up there, I can enter it buy. TP3 is not hit yet. Okay, you can do that from now on. That's a beautiful buy. And then we found another one. 1, 2, 3. Am I gonna sell this? No. Look, this is crazy. This is crazy. Look at this shit. This one was better. Look, this one is better. There is a big difference between this one and this one. This is 2 times this one. So I'm not gonna sell that one. So only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for it to retest. If there is no retest, goodbye, my guy. I'm not gonna involve myself with this shit. So only way I'm gonna enter this is if it comes the silver zone or even the golden zone upside. That is where I say. That is even if TP2 or TP3 is not it. Okay, as you can see, measure from the bodies, TP1, TP2 is down there. Look after TP2. Look what happened. It is nasty. It is nasty. That's why I tell you, TP2 is, bro. TP2 is very, very important, bro. It's so crazy. Look, that's crazy. That is not a coincidence, bro. There is something. Something is going on. Something preventing the price from moving even one tick down. Oh, it's so crazy. Anyways, it happened. Let's TP2 and reverse direction. If the price had traded up, I would have aimed for, I would have entered the sell aiming TP3, which is down there. Just the up there, enter sell, bam, beautiful execution, just like this one. But it didn't went up, so I'm not gonna risk this much because one, TP2 is hit, And two, stop loss is very wide. I'm not gonna enter before, not thank you. So you're gonna pass, okay? You're gonna pass. That is how you prevent yourself from over trading. You prevent yourself from fear, greed. Okay, everything will be under control with this strategy. Okay, with this strategy. Let's see if we are still targeting. It's beautiful. Still targeting. That's amazing. Let's pump it. Let's pump it. Next, what happened? We found another one. We found another. Like always, bro. Two. Nothing happened. Right there, we broke. One. So I'm gonna consider this only high. This body is low, is kind of low, is down there. These are similar. I only consider the similar ones, not that one. That is almost half body. I don't want that. I want this one. Am I gonna buy that one? Am I gonna buy that one? No, I am not. No, I am not. I am only buying the retesters. And I am buying the retesters only if I see a wick or a bullish candle down there. Okay, right there, putting my stop loss down there, targeting TP2. Where is TP2? We already broke the upside, so TP2 is gonna be up there. Simple, simple as that. Okay, so when the price pumps, if I see this kind of huge candle, no thank you, I'm not gonna enter a buy or sell. Okay, I'm not gonna enter a buy. This huge candle, bro, is 1 hour candle, full candle dumping. If I see a weak, or if I see a bullish candle building up, I will enter a buy right there. Targeting the period opposite. Okay. Do you see what I am doing? I am minimizing risk. I am maximizing profit. Beautiful. Otherwise there is no entry, there is no buy here because of this week. If this week was not here, I would have placed my stop loss down there and I would have entered the buy upside. But unfortunately this week is not good because the black box actually uh, includes this whole thing. That's why it encompasses everything. Then do you see any black box here? No, no. Right there I see one, two, and three. Okay, look, this one. This is a black box. And you'll see how the market reacted, how the price reacted based off of this. You measure your TP. We broke the upside, right? What does that mean? It means we are measuring the upside. TP1 and TP2 is most likely upside a little bit above there. Since the black box is huge, TP is gonna be huge. Simple as that. What am I gonna do? Am I gonna buy this one? No. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wait. TP3 is up there. And TP4 is up there a little bit lower. Okay. As you can see the price kept pumping up. Kept pumping. So anyways, it didn't give us so this is a black box. And the two candles black box. The whole thing is a black box actually, but this is a silver zone. This is a buy zone. Okay. Placing your stop loss, your stop loss down there and your entry up there. So as you can see the risk, potential profit. But as you can see, before that the market has already hit TP2. The market has already hit TP2, which is up there, as you can see right there. So and even it also it even wow, I'm so sorry it didn't look at that. It fell short of it and dumped right. That could be a buy. That could be a buy. This is a silver zone. That could be a buy. This one could be a buy. Stop loss down there. That's the risk. Potential profit is gonna be up there. Almost 1 to 2. Okay. That's a potential profit. Look what happened. Look what happened. TP2 is up there. You can use Fibonacci if you want. You can use Fibonacci. TP2 is up there, right? Then the price pumped, showed us that we are moving up and fell short of it. What does that mean? That's a support, bro. That is a support. That's a pullback. That's where you should enter when the price is dumping. Okay? When the price is dumping and after showing some weakness, that's where you would enter. I buy. Okay? So it really pumped up to TP2 right there. And after some push, look, it dumped. And then we found another push. TP3 up there, targeting TP3. Then finally dumped. TP3 is it. I told you TP2 and TP3 are important. They are important. TP2 is the most important one, but TP3 can be important too. Okay, then what happened? Did it break the 2.5%? No. 2.5% is down there, bro. It didn't. Look. Let me zoom out for you here. What happened, bro? So let me zoom out here. I mean, that 2.5% is down there, okay? That's exactly right, it's down there. So, bam, tick, boom, started pumping. It is halfway of the week. We don't really care about that, but look, started pumping. So you don't really need to know the. I mean, you don't really need to enter a buy again here. Why? Because it has already hit your TP3 up there, so don't really need it. Okay. So all you have to do is find another black box. We found one, two, and three, right? Right. This one. Did he hit TP2 up there? No. TP1, TP2. Did it hit TP2? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it really fell short a little bit. Short, as you can see. Look at the grid. Isn't that crazy? It's crazy. Dump it. Took the low. Now I'm gonna consider moving down. TP1 and TP2 is down there. As you can see, it got really close. I think it might have hit the TP2 down there, right? And then started making its way up. So essentially, this is a force model. What you are seeing here. What you are seeing here is a force model. As you can see, we traded up, traded down, and then we pump it up. So this can also happen. So it's not always the third model and the first and the second model. Sometimes, rarely, the fourth model happens just like this one. And they really pumped up TP3, pumped the price. TP3, so this one is done. The next thing what happened, we found another black box where there, 2 and 3. Right, down there. Down there, 2.5% was not broken. Or did it? Or was it? So as a consequence, these kinds of swings, they are crazy, bro. These kinds of swings and these kinds of large range black box, that's why we get out. I mean, we get far away from as far as possible, as you can see. It's crazy. It dumped and it pumped. Then we dumped. Like, it's crazy. So this really is a black box. This is the black box. So we dumped. And hit TP2, most likely TP2 is hit down there. TP1 and TP2, yeah, it is hit down there. So this is done. So now it's time for a new black box here. It's time for a new black box here. Okay. A new black box here, so this is done. let's get it down here. Then here what happened? We found the answer 1. 1, 2, and 3. What happened? Nothing. We found another 1, 1, 2, 3. What happened? That's a buy. But I'm not gonna enter a buy just because it broke the upside. Because the stop loss down there, look, that's a huge gap. I will not enter a buy. So you measure your TP. So TP2 is hit. So you don't have to kill your time here. It's already TP2 is hit. Is it $1,000? It's $1 really. So this is the TP2 is hit by that big wick, by that big candle. Then hunt for another black box. Around here there is no black box at all. You can, yeah, there is, we have 1, 2. So we dump it. And then as you can see, we're gonna use the body. So when you do this, TP2 is down there hit, so this is done too. Okay, then you come over here. That is our beautiful setup right here. That is what we are interested in. As a buy, targeting up there, even up there. Okay, that's our buy right here. Measure your body. So when you measure your body, TP2 is hit up there. You can see. You take partials, you don't touch nothing. I told you, I already told you. Okay, so the market really touched the wick, this one. It's halfway of the wick, and then that started pumping the upside. On the way, we find another black hole. I say bye. I will not leave these kinds of things. So if they are small, I'm gonna consider entering them. At least 1 to 2. Bye. That's not beautiful. You measure the TP. Measure your TP. Why am I using this one instead of using this black box? Why am I using this one? It's because first I already told you that we're gonna use the newest black box, this one. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And next we have traded up there at 70, at 63.8%. Right here up there, that is fulfilled. We're gonna trade the new black box. Okay. You can use that one too, but the TP is not gonna be far away. This one's TP is huge, as you can see, TP1, and TP2 is most likely up there, as you can see. But this one's TP is TP1 down there, and TP2 is surrounding, so it's quite different. So trading and most black box is better, as you can see. As you can see, pump it up, TP2 hit, don't touch nothing, take partials. Take partials and you wait for the market to do its thing. So after that, the market started to consolidate again, make another black box. It made another black box. My, we're gonna have a huge range, as you can see it. From down there to up there, when you measure your TP, it is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, bro. That I don't know. It could be up there, bro. It's more than up. So this is gonna be crazy if it breaks up. It's gonna move like crazy. So our entry down there was the right one, bro. The right one. It was amazing. So TP1, TP2. So I think TP3 was hit also. I think TP3 was hit. So it's time to trade. Can't trade also to break even. I think, yeah, TP3 was hit up, so 60% will be out. So that's everything. Let's go to the next one. Okay. This is house again. What you are seeing. Seems like I have already talked about this one, but if I didn't, so let's get it right into it. Oh, this is a black box. So when we broke the downside, TP1, then TP2. Are we entering this one? No. The risk is too much. I'm not entering. TP2 is it? Beautiful. Done. So this one, two, three. Bam, breaks upside. Are we entering this one? No. As you can see, stop loss down here. I'm not entering this. So when you measure the TP from body, TP2 is gonna be upside. It's gonna rise there. So as you can see, eventually the market found its way upside. Right? Okay. So where was it? Was it? Oh, and then next we found another one. One, two, three, right? So we measure the body. So as you can see, we draw the downside, which means I'm gonna measure the downside. TP1, TP2 is hit. Okay. I think TP2 was hit downside. So that was not the case, and they really went down and made the 3 drive, and bam, bam, they went upside like crazy. So yeah, this is a huge range, but TP2 is down there most likely, so it is it. Then we found another one. We are not buying or selling here. Nope. Nope. One, it is a huge range, so it's a high risk when not entering that one. Next, TP2 is being hit almost immediately, so we cannot trade the retests. If TP2 is hit, we cannot trade the retest, and it's not giving us any opportunity to enter the retests too. Okay, it's so crazy. We'll find another one, two, three. We broke. Am I selling this one? No. No, I'm not. Look, the range is crazy. We're gonna measure the body, TP1 and TP2 is most likely hit. Okay. If you want targeting TP3, you can enter a sell up there. Look, dump the price. This might be overnight, okay, at midnight or something else at night. So Asian session. So it dumped up. It closed up there. Yeah, it closed down there. Right? This is the closing price. This is the opening price. So this is a gap. So they immediately filled the gap. Bam. Wicked it and then finally collapse. So right there you can say putting a stop loss up there. Okay, that's your risk. Potential profit to be down there. That's typically. Okay. Retest, trading the retest. You can trade the retest. Okay. Of course it's a hindsight. It is easy to say do this, do that. But if you know what to do, you will not be that much surprised when you see these kinds of things again and again and again every day, every single day. This thing occurs in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame as you can see. So we found another one to see. Bam! A huge TP. It has to be a huge TP. TP1 and TP2 is most likely nailed up. Okay, that's why the price is dumping as you can see. Okay, if I see this kinds of support, I'm sure I'm gonna enter it by placing my stop loss down there and targeting TP3. If TP3 was not it, TP3 is most likely up there. Look, this is my entry. Look the profit, bro. It is so crazy. Trading the second model, it's so crazy, bro. It is nuts. It is nuts. That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened right here. Okay. What I'm showing here is a 5% here. What you are seeing here. This is the low, and this is a low, right? So the grid You have to see the grid. The grid for this one is below 5% was not broken because it is almost equal loss, as you can see. So that's what I'm signifying. Just for the classical black box, we don't need this one here. So that's for the classical black box. So we don't trade the classical black box. It is outdated, but bear, bear, it resulted this two candles black box. They are snipers. We need the snipers. So targeting the area up there, I will buy this one. Okay, this is a buy. Of course, I'm not gonna wait for TP3 to be hit up there. Okay, my entry down there. Since the price has moved this much, bro, I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna trail my stop up there and take partials or trail. Take partials. In my opinion, taking partials is better than trailing a stop. Of course, you have to trail it to break even, so you don't have to lose. You don't want to lose, but after putting it at break even, after price have moved, it is better to take partial. Once the price moves there, take partials. When the price moves there, take partials. Simple as that. And once it reaches TP3, take partials here. I don't care. It could be 20%. 20% means you could take partials 5 times before it gets to 100%. 5 times, 5 places. Okay, 5 places. That's beautiful. And then what happened? We found this 1, 2, and 3. This is a black box. I'm not gonna sell this one, so as you can see, the risk is too much. The risk is too much, so only way I'm gonna sell this one is at the retest. Do you see any retests? Do you see any retests? Yes. Where? One is here. Of course, I will sell this one. This is my risk. TP1, TP2 is down there, baby. That's why this price just made a weekend pump it up. And my reward is down there if I am selling up there. The price after coming down there, it is time to trade or stop to break even. It went too far. We take partials. The price just started pumping without hitting the pit. What does that mean? It is another opportunity to sell, bro. That is a golden zone, even amazing. It didn't break the 2.5% is up there, bro. It got near, but it didn't. So that is my stop loss, and that's my entry. I can't get the highest high, but that is my risk. That is my potential profit. That is crazy, and it is almost 1 to 12. 1 to 15, bro. Risk to reward. That is crazy. Look, that is my risk. This is my profit. Where can you get this kind of thing, bro? Nowhere. It's nowhere. It's nowhere. Then when you zoom in here, you can find something. You can find a black box. Actually, it starts from here, 2, 3. But after this one has formed, as you can see, this is deleted. We don't need this one for the reason I told you earlier. So go back and watch. Now this one, 2, and 3. That's a buy. I don't care. I'm buying this one. Not too much risk. I'll buy this one. You can use the first canvas body. Project your TP to 1 TP. Okay, that's I said you can take partials at TP3, but you can't do that. You can't do that too. TP1 is up there, most likely is TP2 is up there, so most likely is TP3 up there. So the reason that I told you to take partials at TP3 is because most of the time the price pumps to TP3. And the price breaking candle and the candle next to the breaking candle, that's the fourth candle, almost pumps up. They pump up to that. TP3, that's why I tell you to take partial. TP3, it maximizes your profit, okay? There is a usually tell your stop out if you want. But it's better to take partials and never take your stop loss because I think might support this one and move up still. Okay. But in this case it dumped because we have a previous black box that didn't hit TP2. That's why I tell you to refer the previous black boxes before entering a trade on this one. You have to know the previous black box. Okay, simple as that. If you found one unhit or undelivered inefficient black box, that's enough. That's enough. You don't need nothing. You don't need to go years and years. Let's go to the next one anyways. This is actually house again. The previous was house again too. This is house again two. Okay, so let's zoom in. Okay, let's see this thing. Do you have black was find something? One, two, three. Did it break? No. It really went up, but it didn't break it. One, two, three. This three candles. Did it break? Yes. Where? Down there. I think I have shown about this, but I don't know which video, which risk before it was this much. It is this much, so I'm not gonna enter. Okay, I'm not gonna enter. High and the highest low, the lowest, the second lowest high. You're gonna use the second, the second. Okay, it disconnected itself. It's so crazy, bro. It is so crazy. So I know it's 1 hour. How much time? Oh, it is almost 1 hour, bro. It's so crazy. So anyways, let's pump it. Let's pump it. So this is a first matters. I'm not gonna enter it. Bye. I already lost this one. I already lost this one, so I'm not gonna enter a buy again just because it broke outside. So when you measure this, I lost the wicks, the lowest high, and the second highest high, and the second lowest low. When you are measuring this kind of rugged, when you don't find equal wicks, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the second highest high. Not this one. This is the highest high, right? This is the second highest high. And the second lowest low. This is the lowest low, right? You don't want to use that one. Second lowest low, this one. So let's do 4 of these. TP1 and TP2 is not it. So that's why I price pump it up. TP1, look, TP2 deliver subs. Beautiful, beautiful, amazing. Uniform answer to 3. So right there, what happened? If you measure the sequence, just like I told you, you have to use the second highest high and the second lowest low. You don't want to use this high and this low. Nope, that's not how it works. So that's a difference right there. So TP1 and TP2 is most likely down there. So you take my chance down there because you already sold, right? You sold it down there, so you take partials down there. Stop loss up there. Then the price pumped more, right? And after this candle finishes, you have to determine your TP. Okay, TP1, TP2 is most likely down there. So the price never went down. It hit TP1, but after that, look, where's the direction? It hit your stop loss up there. Are you buying? No, I'm not buying. But I have TP1, I have TP2. So you can see 1, TP2 is upside. So I'm gonna project it to the upside and I'm gonna wait for a new black box or a break and a retest down there. Down there is where I am interested in. But actually this is where the black box is found, so this is where most prices repel. Most prices support, look. Support, support, right there, support. So can support and finally they support the price and moved to the upside, as you can see. Right? This is the silver zone. As I told you, 70% of the price pumps up from this area. Okay, 70% of the price reverses direction from this area, and this area from your stop loss to this one is called the golden zone. So this is 30% would come here and bam, still go up. If TP2 or TP3 is not hit, okay. As you can see, TP2 achieved, so this is done. This is done. And then next thing is the price. Made another black box here. That could be a buy. That could be a buy, as you can see. Targeting at least 1 to 2. This is 1 to 1. So you can see 1 to 1 it reverses. Then 1 to 2 is up there. And it even went to 1 to 3, as you can see. That's amazing. Just because of this black box, right? This grass color black box, this pump is what you are seeing here is just because of this. And deliver the tip is down there. That's exactly what happened. You can buy that one. Number one reason is because this ticket, we have a ticket that we know the price is gonna refer up there. We already know that this price pumped up and took the high up there and 0.5% up there. So you already know TP2 is due. It is due. It has to be hit. So your buy down there is it is reasonable. Okay, it has a reason. So so you buy that shit. So you put your stop loss down there. Then what happened? What happened when this thing hit 30%? I mean, you take partial as 30% if it is hit because when you measure the body, TP1 is TP3 is up there actually. Almost at your entry, so you gotta wait for TP3 up there. TP3 you take your partials and you wait. And you wait. If you took your partials at TP3, you cannot trade to TP2. I mean to break even. Not yet. If you took your partials at TP3, not at TP2, if you didn't take partials at TP2, if your entry and your if your entry and your partials, your TP2 are in the same area, you cannot trade your stop loss at break even even after TP3 is hit. Okay, you have to wait for TP4 or more. So if you did that, look, this is a break even, right? That's your break even. Look, after hitting TP3, the price dumped, got you out of the trade without moving that. So you dumb miss this magic. But actually, it killed so much time here. Actually, you have to have patience to wait for these all things here. Okay, it took a day and more. It's 24 candles, right? So it took a day and more. You need to have patience. You need to have patience. That's exactly what happened. And we found the answer one time. We didn't break nothing. We didn't break down there. So you measure your TP. TP1, TP2 is most likely down there. So that's why price never came back down there. Supported, but it never broke the low and it came back down there. Then we found another. Actually, we got this one. I'm not gonna buy this one because of this week. I will not buy that. If this week was not here, I would place my stop loss down there. But as you can see, I cannot place my stop loss down there. That's too much. Because the price pumped, you can use this. Remember this one, this black box TP is still loading. TP1 and TP2 is still up here, so it's not hit. Still loading, that's why right there you see that price dump after 18 TP2 right here up there. Okay, and this one TP1 and TP2 and TP3 as most likely is up there, so I see I'm not gonna either this one, no thank you. And this one, sale, I'm not gonna sell that one, no thank you. Look at the wick, not good. But you're gonna use this TP for your entry as a retest. TP1 is down there. TP2 is gonna be down there. So exactly right there, I would say that shit. This is the area of interest, the point of interest. Right there at the price enters that area. I can interest it. I can interest it targeting TP2 down there. As I say. Okay. Let me check in one more time if we are of course we are recording beautiful. Then price, that's where I sell, I sold, right? My stop loss up there, that's risk. My profit is gonna be down there. So I already told you once the price moves a lot, you have to trade it to break even. Then don't touch nothing. So you take partials then. Take partials as the price moves. Okay. We reverse it. Price reverse direction. Before that we found another black box here. Nothing happened. But right there something happened. 1, 2, 3. So that's a sale, of course I'm gonna sell that one. I will not hide nothing. Stop loss up there. That's a sale. Little bit profit and pump down. You can use the previous two candlestick determine your TP2. TP2 was not hit, so there is no entry. I mean there is no partials or anything. So most likely your stop loss is hit. It is the truth. It is the truth. Literally it is the truth. So your stop loss hit. So what is that? What are you gonna do now? I can determine if the body of this candle is down there or if it is up there. I don't know, man. This drawing is messing me up. So The body was down there. This candle, and if we broke the upside, what I'm gonna wait is this CP1 and TP2. I'm gonna enter a buy based off of TP3. Good. I would enter a buy based off of TP3. Alright. TP3 targeting TP3 for this black box here. You can use this one. You can use this one because that is done. This is done. This is not good. This is full candle. Beautiful. TP1, TP2. Yes, TP2 is hit. That is amazing. Then TP3 targeting TP3 out in the buy down there. That isn't that beautiful. Your stop loss down there. Your entry up there. And look, your profit. That is 1 to 13 or 14. Something else. 1 to 15. It's so crazy. So exactly the market did what I have anticipated. It moved up. Then another support moved up. Based off of this, you would have entered the sale. I would have entered the sale. Okay, I would have entered. Alright, so the risk is this one is high. So the risk is high. Let me zoom out and see if I see this. Yeah, it's not that much. I would have sold that one. I would have sold that one. Sold. So immediately the market reverses the direction. Based off of the previous two candles, you can use TP1. Oh my god. TP1 and TP2 is most likely down there. It's not hit. Or is it? Yeah, it is it. It is it. I mean, it's a bullish. It's TP1 and TP2 is upside. Okay. TP2 is most likely hit. So then after TP2, look what happened. It's so crazy that TP2 has something else. TP2 has something. It has something that we don't know. Then after the price moved up and hit our stop loss up there. That is guaranteed. Then we found this one. Nothing happened, then we found this one. A sell happened, what does that? I'm gonna say that one again. That's another sell. We have a sell in here too, two sales here. And we have a buy here, we have a buy too. Still going go. We have a buy down there, so still going go. Okay. Then what happened? Then it almost immediately came back. I'm gonna use the lowest candle and the two equal candles or wicks. And TP1, then it was not it. The same thing, this here is not it. So change direction, everything dismissed. Now we are in a bad program. So this one's TP. And this one's TP. I'm sorry, I'm gonna use the bodies. And this one's TP is now changed. This one is not yet because we didn't break. Up there, this one's TP is upside too. Okay. Everyone's black box here is now getting fulfilled. Two stop losses hit, mine, a sell is hit, and now my buys are running. My buys are running. It just keeps disconnecting and disconnecting and disconnecting. What the hell is going on, bro? It's so crazy, bro. Anyways, let's go to the next one because there is no more black box. Aussie dollar on a 1 hour time frame. That's another one. So let's go to here. So we found one, two. Is this a buy? Yes. Yes, and it is a clean buy. It is a clean buy. Look at that shit. Armed up. You can use the two previous candles. bodies, sell bodies to determine your TP2. As you can see at TP2 what happened? We dumped it. Look, that's TP3 for this one. So at TP2 take partials, that's simple. Then what do? You measure this TP2. TP2 for the 3 candles. Now before it is for the 2 candles. Now it is for the 3 candles, okay? Then what happened? TP1, TP2 is hit up there. What is that? That's another 30% off. Okay. On the way you are taking partials. You are taking partials. Okay. Then what happened? Right, you took partials at 30% out, right? At TP2. So you are waiting. Okay. You have to wait. Okay. So your entry is down there. You have to wait. So that is TP2. The price supported again and pump it up to TP3, I think. Yes, most likely is TP3 is up there, bro. You can measure it yourself, TP3 is up there. That's why I said the price really went up, bro. Really. It has a reason. It does not work. Does not move without a reason. Up and down, okay. So, you can enter a buy even down there. This is a black box we are interested in, right? This is the area. This is the silver zone. These are the silver zone, come by the this is the golden zone down there. So it pumped up. Then it came down there. So I'm not gonna be greedy of anything. So I'll buy that one. I want it to come down there. So it touched that one. That's like a fire, touching a fire with your finger. So immediately it's passed. I mean, contracted something. Bam, delivery. That's amazing, bro. And then right here again came back. So that's another buy. Look at that shit. I'm not showing this just because this happened. It is because that's a principle. I already told you if TP2 is hit, you have to aim for TP3. Aim for TP3, okay? TP2 is hit. Right. Then we found another black box where there, 2, 3. What happened? Nothing. Nothing happened. What about down there? 1, 2, 3. What happened? Nothing. Actually, a buy happened up there for this one. The problem with this one is there's a lot of TP1. TP2 is hit. For you can aim TP3 as I told you. This is a silver zone for this black box, right? I'm zooming for you. This is the silver zone. So this is where you buy. You can buy as a middle. This is not that much risky, right? TP3 is up there, right? So as you can see. 1 to 2, at least 1 to 2. So the price really went down there. After you bought one share, the price dumped. So that's another buy. That's a gold zone. You buy that shit. Targeting the same thing up there. TP3. TP2 is already so TP3 up there. Okay, beautiful. The other thing is we have TP3 waiting for this black box, for this big black box. So that's why we are playing a buy here. This is a demand zone. It's a buying zone. Really went up there, beautiful. Now we take partials and you trigger your stop at break even and you wait. The other thing happened, 1, 2, 3. That is a sell. Potential profit is down there. Okay. In this case, what happened? In this case, what happened? The price went down there. Alright, let's finish this fast. Okay, really fast. Okay, I'm getting tired myself. So it's almost 1 hour. So okay, so let's run it. Let's run it. So this thing, you can use the body of the previous trade. I already told you, take partials. So you should down here, right? So you take partials. That's TP1 by the way. And TP2 is down there. So you take partials at TP2. And then you let the other ride. Still stop loss up there. You don't touch nothing. Another thing for me here, the same thing. Nothing isn't broke. What about it? Nothing. Since here, amazing thing happened. I say buy. Stop loss. Targeting based off of this. Actually, you can use this kind of stay partials TP1 and TP2. It is almost your entry and your partials, I mean your TP2 are the same area. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wait for TP set that's up there. You take partials up there and you wait. This kind of close, you take partials for this TP2 up there. As there. TP3 another partials. That's where you trade your stock to break it. Beautiful. These kinds of setup, I love them. Today's bro, it's amazing. Then another thing happened. 1, 2, 3. Another thing. Then we broke where down there is a sell. Down there is a sell. I'm not gonna sell from up there to down there actually, but that is a sell. I'm showing that the algorithm now is selling program. Okay, a sell program. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, based off of this black box, not this one. We are still in a buy. Until this low breaks 2.5%, we are still in a buy program with this one. But this one, we are in a sell program for this black box here, for this one. Dump it. Measure your TP1, and TP2, and TP3. Is it down there? So you can see it's exactly TP3, the inevitable happened. The price reversed direction. What the hell is that? The price reversed direction, right? It's so crazy. So based off of that black box, you can place a buy. Actually at the middle of the candle, look. At the middle of the third candle, or the black box, if you will, that price just pumped up to that TP3, bam, and I collapsed. So that's exactly what happened. If the price hadn't hit TP3 for this black box, down there, TP1 and TP2 and TP3, I would have sold up there. Why? 2.5% was not broker. Look, your stop loss is up there, bro. So right there is a sell. Your stop loss up there, that's your stop loss, that is your target down there. That's crazy, isn't it? It is crazy. So that would have been amazing. This could be some kind of news or something. Yeah, some kind of news doing this shit. So in a matter of 2 hours, look what some kind of swing, huge swing. Look, this kind of 1 hour candle. This is crazy. Some kind of uh, manipulation or something is going on. But still, it is playing in our quarters. Okay, in our quarters with the black box principle. And then we found out the black box. Now, look at that shit. This is a huge ass black box. Look. So we broke right there. I mean, actually down there. So we know we are already in a sell position right there. Okay. So what happened? Here, I mean, actually we broke down there. First we broke the upside, right? Then to the downside, down there. So we are in a sell. We are in a third model scenario over here. based off of the two candles. But based off of the three candles, we are still in a first model. Still just real breakout. We broke real breakout. It is as a second model, I'm sorry. We broke, we retested the black box in the pound. So we don't really care about that. We only care about the TP2, which is TP1. TP2 is most likely downside. Okay. Still loading, and if the price would come up there, we would really appreciate it, bro. We put our stop loss out there and we would enter down there. That is our stop loss. It's our risk. Our reward would be down there, bro. That would have been historic. A historic trade, bro. That would have been a historic trade, bro. It would have been crazy. Crazy. Crazy, bro. It would have been amazing. But as you can see, still, we don't know what really happened. The price was still trading here. So if it comes up there, I will not hesitate about nothing. I would say it's a downside. Simple as that. Okay, that's beautiful. Let's see if we have anything, any black box here around here. Do you see any black box here? No, I don't see nothing. Everything here based off of the classical black box. This whole thing would have been the black box, but based off of the 200 black box, there is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Right here, we are forming two candles. And we want the third candle to trade up, and then we need to consider this one as a black box, but not yet. Not yet. We have to wait. That's the whole thing. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Okay. Thank you for watching. Okay.